Hi guys, it's me, Christy. I wanted to come on here to tell you guys a little bit about what's going on. As you guys know, I don't show my face too often, so I've got kind of an announcement. It's kind of with a heavy heart that I'm going to let you guys know that I'm going to be taking a break. I'm going to take a break from painting and from the Fluid Art Express for a while. I've got a lot going on in my life. I just got a new job. I'm trying to work, trying to get our own place, trying to get settled in. So, as you know, I've been painting outside for quite a while now, and it's been a real struggle. And I really just need to take a break, focus on myself, focus on my kids, and focus on getting somewhere where we need to be as far as our own place and all this good stuff. So I wanted to let you guys know that I will be back. It's not forever, but it's been a really hard decision. I love you guys to pieces. I thank each and every one of you for your support and love. And when I started this journey, I mean, it's just been amazing. I've met so many amazing people. Just made friendships and family that will last for a lifetime, and I can't thank you all enough for everything that you've done. And it's going to be really, really hard, but it's something I have to do right now. When me and Darren Nixon, Sweet Wombat from Venom Fluid Art, started this years ago, the Express, it's something that just has been amazing. I've had so much fun, met so many people, and I just can't thank him enough, and Sis, and, you know, Shannon, and Hippy, and Kat, and just everybody that's on the Express, and all our special guests, and just, I love you all. Trying not to get emotional. And like I said, it's been a really hard decision, but it's something I have to do right now. And I'll still try to be there to support the Express, you know, every week. Do my best to do that, but I'm just not going to be doing any videos for a while until I get settled in somewhere where I can actually do art that I want to do, instead of just trying to throw something together to make a video so I don't disappoint anybody. But really, when I do that, I'm kind of disappointing myself. So I've decided this is the best. Talked to Sweet Wombat. You know, we both said, you know, it's best for me right now to work on myself and my family. So that's what I'm gonna do. But I will be back. I just wanted to say I love you guys to pieces, and I will miss you guys, and I will miss being on the Express, but I will be back. So until then, I love you guys. And and I will be on our Christmas collab. So that'll be my last video for a while. So I love you guys. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today you should have started out watching our very special guest, the amazing Pattie from Let's Pour with Pattie. She's such an amazing person, an amazing artist. And if you haven't went to her channel, please go and watch. She just does some super cool stuff, and I just love her to pieces. So thank you for joining us today, Pattie. We love you, and we're so happy to have you. After her, we have Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. And after her, you have Sis or Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. Usually we have the sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Kat, but they're taking a few weeks off. So hopefully they'll be back soon. So, all right, so I have this round. Of course, I've been watching Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon and Bubbles, Sis from Venom Fluid Art. And they've been doing triple blooms, so I'm gonna give her a go. It's been a while since I've done this, so bear with me. Hopefully it'll turn out okay. I've got some colors out here. I know some of them I think I've just mixed with other things, so I'm not going to be able to tell you those. But in the meantime, I'm going to use my black pillow paint from Sherwin-Williams Color to Go, and we're going to get this party started and see what we can do. So meanwhile, I will play some music and let you guys watch.
I told you I'm not here to mess around. do you know? You never took me seriously. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. I never really liked the way you dressed. I guess I thought your style might grow on me. You're never really honest, made me guess. And now I want you far from close to me. You don't have the time for me. I don't have the time to please you. I'll pack all your things away. You're welcome. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss. Broken promises that got me out of work. I'm leaving and I'm never coming back. Don't wanna deal with you, don't wanna feel for you. It's your loss.
Sunshine, sunshine, sunshine. I think I found it now. What I've been looking for. Isn't it beautiful? It's got my head all up in the clouds. I think I found it now. Yeah. Everything I want might be a miracle. No, I'm never coming down. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, it's so incredible. I'm finally letting go. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I found my flow right on time, and now I know what it feels like to shine like gold. Up, up and away, yeah we go. I don't gotta worry about a single thing. I can feel the light coming down on me. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. I don't gotta care in the world right now. Higher than the ceiling, breaking through the clouds. Sunshine on my face. I got sunshine on my face. Yeah. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I gotta let you know, I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine. I got sunshine.
right, guys, in case you didn't see, everything was drying on me because I'm out in the sun and it's like 80 degrees out. So that's what happens. This is as good as it's going to get. I'm afraid to do anything else with it. So I will bring you guys down for a close-up. All right, guys, here she is. Tell me what you think in the comments. For it being so warm outside, I don't think it turned out terrible. I was having a hard time. Everything was drying. That's what happens. The joys of painting outside. But the colors are super pretty. And definitely could have been worse. So tell me what you guys think. Up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After her is Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And if you missed our very special guest, Pattie, from Let's Pour with Pattie, please go back and watch, along with Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. All right, guys, have a great day or great night wherever you are, and I will see you on the next one. Bye, guys.